Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Viewers, in this video I will share 5 English names of birds. So let's see. Number 1, wagtail. Wagtail. Wagtail means দোয়েল পাখি. Wagtail means দোয়েল পাখি. Number 2, martin. Martin. Martin means শালিক পাখি. Martin means শালিক পাখি. Number 3, weaver. Weaver. Weaver means বাবুই পাখি. Weaver means বাবুই পাখি. Number 4, water hen. Water hen. Water hen means ডাহুক পাখি. Water hen means ডাহুক পাখি. Number 5, cormorant. Cormorant. Cormorant means পানকৌড়ি. Cormorant means পানকৌড়ি. Okay viewers, keep learning and memorizing these names and waiting for the next video. Bye.